Shit. Oh, that's the box we need. Box I need at the very fucking bottom. Damn. GTA or throw the intake on. So we're gonna throw the intake on. Let's see how fast we can do this. I'm looking at it with it open like this. Let's see that motherfucker. And I got that VRSF, fucking charge pipe sitting in the garage right now. I wonder if it'll throw a code if I change that out. I know it's not gonna throw a code with the code intake, but
I don't know, but I'm gonna go.
ain't nothing more satisfying than opening fresh car bottles. I'm still popping bubbles right now. That shit in the ugly place, yeah, man. Yes, it is. Official right now, man. We're looking real official. I'm really too proficient at this wild game shit. I'm just talking to myself. I need to hold it? Yeah. You sure that's what was good? That's what. You sure about that? Put me on blast. Put me on the blast. So. This is what you want to see? This is what y'all want to see? This is what y'all want to see? Fucking hate. There. Oh, that's ugly. I feel ashamed of myself for that. That's ugly. What brand is this? You don't want to know. They gotta tap it on the table. Yeah, there you go. That's ugly. There you go. Yeah, I was gonna say, can you hold that, cameraman? Oh! Man, I love Playful fans. Playful fans is my life. Whoa! Oh, whoa. Wow. You see that, right? What? What's happening? Do you lie?
Yeah, I do.
I think you do the lie.
Like that first obviously goes down in there because there's a piping.
Oh, obviously. It's obvious. You're saying put that down in there first. It's good in there. It looks real good. No.
Press the gas, please. Flips. I think the bird will sound a little bit deeper. Let's see if we hear some boost, but we'll hear some turbo noise.
Yeah, I was about to say, I hear more noises. Yeah, I definitely hear more noises.
Definitely more noise. You almost hear it spooling too. That's on the cover. He got a good luck catching me. Got that DINAN quarter intake on this bitch, man.
Overall, just sounds better.
I think it just sounds better.
So I think I just put a carbon piece on the car. I'm thinking it just looked cool. Let's see if it actually made a difference or not. Pain.